Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing a power inverter onto my truck. It's a 12 volt 300 watt power inverter, but first I have to go pick it up. So let's go. Alright, so I was able to get the package, so now we're on our way home. But yeah, one of the things that I've been busy with is that we moved to a new house. So yeah, check out the new neighborhood. Okay, so this is the street where we live in, and that's our house right there with a red truck, and that's the truck that we're going to be installing the power inverter onto. All right, check it out guys, this is my garage. As you can see, there's still a big mess, and it's been going on for a couple of months, but I'm still trying to work at it and get it arranged. But yeah, let's open up the package and see what we have. So yeah, this is it, a 12 volt power inverter. Your input 12 volts and then output to AC power to run your regular household stuff. And then it does come with 2 USB ports to charge phones and stuff like that. But yeah, let's take it to the truck and see what you could do with it. Alright, so let's try it on and see if it works, and we'll know if it's working because there's a light right here and it's gonna turn on once we have power. So let's plug it in, and it looks like we do have that light on, so it's working. Let's just make sure and plug in a Dremel I have right here. Let's plug it in and see if it works. And where's the power button? Right there. And yeah, it's working. All right guys, it's working. It's that simple. That's it. Goodbye. See you guys next time. Like and subscribe. Okay you guys, it really is that simple to plug it in and make it work, and it's working right now. But I don't want this thing to be just flopping around while you're driving, and then it just jumps at you, at your face, and then it hits you and then you crash, and then yeah, I don't want that mess. So what I'm gonna do is just take it apart and then install it onto the truck to make it kind of look factory installed. So yeah, let's go do that. Alright guys, there it is, finally. Alright guys, so there you guys have it, a power inverter built onto my truck. Now I have AC power anywhere I go. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.